how to find and access TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you will be able to find and use the TikTok Shop just like what we're doing over here. Now usually the TikTok Shop, if you look over here on the bottom, you will be able to see Home, Shop, the section where you add or create a video, Inbox, and Profile. As you can see, the shop would usually be located over here. Now, if this option shop is not available for you guys for some reason, what I'm going to suggest is that you find a product or a video in TikTok over here in the home section with the same layout as this one. So this is an example of a video that are promoting a specific product, and this is what it would usually look like. And you will be able to see that there is an option, click to order over here on the top of the name of the user. So let's look for another example, something like this. This is going to be what it's going to look like. If you click on the view products just like that and then click it, you will be redirected, or you will be able to open the TikTok Shop, and that should force your TikTok to make the TikTok Shop appear on your TikTok account. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.